All right, let's see what's inside.
There it is, the Rolex Datejust. Really beautiful watch, very classy. Came in excellent condition. It's really a beautiful watch. Big shout out to WatchGang. They're a great company. Go check them out.
The WatchGang's Tag Tuesday winning. Bang. And there it is. The tag Heuer. Wow. Blue strap and all.
Its accuracy is plus or minus 15 seconds for a whole month. It's a solar, super nice, super well made. This one wears so well. They feel almost like you're wearing nothing. This is probably the most comfortable diver that I own.
Ooh, that being said, number one, it's a friggin' cool case, right? Let's be honest. Very strong, nice band, very thick. Looks good on my wrist.
Oh, wow. That's actually really cool. Very good looking watch. It's got the open back where you can see the movement. Cool watch, guys. This is one of the, I guess this might be one of my favorites now.
Pretty nice feel to it. Durable. 100-meter water resistance. Automatic movement. Gotta love automatic movements. Very sturdy, thick, heavy-duty fabric band. This is a pretty awesome watch. And I really do like the case.
Round case, soft top. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Got a great dial. I do like that. Shout out to WatchGang because we love doing unboxings. We love the watches that they give.